Hello friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to learn about the zoom functionality in Magento 2. Zoom magnification, right? So uh, those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. So let's get started. Okay. So here is the functionality of that zoom part. I have all I have done some of the research and in Magento you can see that we have product image. It's a paid one, but what I find here, let me check product zoom image Magento 2, and we have not this. There's a documentation of documentation is not getting in. Image to view XML. This is the magnifier widget. Okay, move topic. So you can see that here this is the same thing that the magnification part is done, right? So what it says that initialize the magnifier widget with like this one. Okay, and just enable in the view.xml this part magnification, turn off true or false, and whatever you can add it over here. This is their point of view. I haven't implemented this one right yet, right? And I have implemented for myself this one. Okay, so let's see how we are going to build it. So let me go with the admin panel also, which where we have the configurations. We'll go with the stores configuration. There is error. Let me check content configurations. uh, System configurations. Stores configuration is having error. Let's see what exactly the error is. 64 code app where let me check this one. I don't want to record this part. Okay, let's see that the issue is not yet done. Let's check. Currently the same issue is reflecting. Notice that element ID, so I'm going to check this right now. So we have already built in code mechanical. Why we're not taking place in this one part. Magento 5 project app code to dev custom etc admin html. Then we have a system, no, system.xml. mm, etc admin html system.xml. So I think we will get it from here. So what is the problem in that? The system is the tab id, so it's gonna be like this: tab id here, then section. So first we have the tab id, then we have a section. Okay, and this needs to be commented, right? Let's flush the cache. Okay, done. Reload this. Okay, then we have which tab it is gonna be. uh, Let me check where it should be going on. Rajnikant tab, and we have a section image zoom. I think this should be added. Tab Okay, and let's flush this cache, reload this. Hold on. Tab would be Rajnikant underscore tab. Okay, so let's add this one because I want here to be like this. Okay, let's flush this cache again. This is Rajnikant tab. Then we have a product zoom. So you can set your magnification degree. By default, it is 3. You can make it 2 also, 4 also. And zoom container 500 pixels. Zoom container. You can set all these positions. Save these configurations. Go to the cache management and flush the cache. Reload this page. So you can set this magnification width and height, all this from the settings, right? So let's understand the module. So this is basically the system.xml part, right, that we are using. Okay, and for each and everyone, so you can make it like the configuration section, because I have already told you how to create such kind of system configurations in Magento. So you can make it the tab, then we have a section ID, then we have a group. Okay, so you can make it accordingly, right? Then we have a config.xml, so you can by default whatever you want to set, you can set it from here. Then we have dir.xml because we are going to override the view gallery part. Okay, with R. Then we have this zoom.phtml file. Then we have a block. Block is gallery.php. So here we have just template setting that one. If it is helper is enabled, then we are going to use R this method, not that template, which is default one, right? You can switch that case in later on also. Then we have a zoom.phtml file. Okay, so here we go with the zoom phtml. So here we are getting all the gallery images. Then after getting all the gallery image, whether it is using the image helper, you can see the medium images we are getting, right? Then we have a zoom body where we have moved the container. Then we have in it the javascript, and the rest is basically the code of like you can zoom and zoom out functionality. You will get this directly code from the javascript part, like whether you want to click on that uh, image zoom, and you can see that this is the classes that added in the query selector we are doing. Okay, and here we have a lens, create lens. We are creating the zoom lens, and after clicking on mouse hover mouse leave, we are adding the lenses, and move over here mouse sleeve, you can see that. So style display none, then function move lens display block or display full size. All the functionality calculation part is done over here. You can see that it's a lot. And then we have in it the Magento one, and we have a placeholder image gallery, right? Full screen we want, and breakpoints we want, and the image.json get magnifier. Okay, so this is the main file, and the rest one is just like but here we have done the zoom magnification part here. So you can see that you can also make it height and width over reducing it by here. Disable zoom at zoom container, you can make it like 300 pixels. Zoom container height also you can make it 300 pixels. And save the configurations. I'm going to reload this. You can see that. Okay, so that's it for now. Hope you like it. Okay, so any query, any issue in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.